Why are they restacking it?
So we're gonna put that whole stack on there. Yeah, that way it'll stay up.
Should be it. I mean, we could have, but the guy said he wanted this tank.
So the hardest part is leveling these bricks, getting them level so that your boards sit level. And then what David's doing is putting these posts in the ground at the level that he wants them. And then he's leveling this board and then screwing it in. So the back of the porch will be on these bricks and the front of the porch will be on these posts. I don't know if I had told him that it's a 10 by 30 porch. So we did the bricks in the back and did the post in the front. We got these flat blocks and then these blocks here. This has been the hardest part, getting it level. Thank goodness for the breeze, though. Not here right now, but David's doing most of the work. I just grunt work. I just run around and get stuff. He's the man. Okay, so we measured 10-foot boards, but we forgot to measure for the extra 1.5 inch this board is, which made us too long. So now we got to take our 10-foot boards off, this one here and that one on that side, and deduct the 3 inches because it's a 1.5 inch for this board and that one in order for things to be straightened up. Okay, so we just come back out from a break. We had to take the outside boards off because we forgot to measure for the front board and the back board. That was 3 inch difference. So now we have fixed that, and we put those two boards in the middle just to help it square up. And we're rested and we're fixing to start back on it. We had to dig the post in the back a little bit more too to bring it in, and I wanted to show you. I seen it, they were talking in another place about he screwed it on each side of the board, and where is it? Oh, in here on the edges here. See, he put a lizard. He put this little square board. See, it's just big enough that helped, and he screwed to it on this side and on the back side to give it stability. Okay, y'all probably done knew that, but there it is again.